Want an easy, beginner-friendly tutorial for Michael Jackson's Beat It? Let's do it. You're going to start off just walking forward, right, left, right, left. Your right hand is going to be just going, basically it's like your elbow's kind of glued to your hip, and you're just going to swing your hand out to the right. So from the back, you're going right, left, right, left. So it's two snaps to each step. Once you do your 1, 2, 3, 4, your feet come together, your right hand goes up, and your left hand he kind of brings it to his hip area. Right, left, and you're going to do right, left again, but this time you're going to add your feet. So your right foot shoots out with your right arm, and your left foot shoots out with your left arm. So from the back, after your walk, 4, go right, left, feet, right, left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, punch, right, left, add feet, right, left. Now you're going to reach to the left, and your weight goes on your left foot, and you're just going to pull it back. And you can kind of pull it back to your hips, or you can throw it down. So from the back, you have up, up, and reach, pull it back, and you're setting into your right hip, and reach, pull it back. Your feet are going to re-step. So from here, you're going to step left, right, pull it back and put your weight on your right, re-step, left, right, left, right, pull it back. Now you're going to do left, right again, but you're going to cross left, right, and you throw your arms out, turn, do it again, left, right, turn. From the top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, punch, right, left, add feet, right, left, reach, pull it back, reach, pull it back, and cross, turn, and cross, turn. From here, you're just going to look back to the back one more time, and then back to the front. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, look back, 5, 6, hold 7, and on 8, they kind of like contract, like they're getting ready for the next part, but it's kind of like a pop. So from the front, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, look back, look front, hold, and get ready for the next part. On the next part, your feet are already apart. You're going to do the same thing that we did on our reach and pull. You're going to step left, right, but this time your arms are going to come up, just like you're sweeping something back, like you're trying to knock something behind you. Sweep them back and around, and your body kind of moves with your arms. So when your arms go back, your hips kind of go back, and then everything comes around, and your arms are now in the front, and your body's leaning back. So it's almost like your body goes through your arms. So it starts here and then comes back through. So from the back, you have and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Your feet are still apart. For the next part, you're going to just snap your right hand again. Snap, snap, snap. Your right leg is going with your hand, and it's just going, just take your knee and just go out, out, out with your knee. While you're doing that, you're actually leaning away from your knee. So when you're finished, you're leaning over your left leg, and your hand is out here over your right knee. So from the back, you have and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm falling over. So from the beginning, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, punch, right, left, add feet, right, left, and reach, pull it back, cross, turn, look back, look front, weight, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. I hope that helps.